Hello, I'm Adam and I've chosen to work on the Innocent brief, where the task is to produce a visual identity for a high quality organic dairy range that focuses on health. I began by analysing the brief to extract some key words for exploration. I then carried out some in-depth research on Innocent to understand the brand, its personality, goals, target audience, etc. The research included a visual analysis of their identity, packaging, and advertisements. The next stage produced some free-flowing brainstorms with no parameters. This allowed me to generate further keywords and eliminate obvious or valueless ideas. My mind maps then developed the concept of displaying health through the natural world. I wanted to express the freshness and vibrance of the countryside, the colours, scenery, organic shapes, textures, and patterns, because these elements of nature are a symbol of health and well-being. I delved into these concepts on my mood boards to try and conjure up pertinent design ideas that were compelling. I also explored the colours, shapes, and characteristics of the dairy products themselves to generate additional visual interest. My thinking was that by juxtaposing the flavours and visual appearance of desirable food products alongside symbols of health would satisfy the needs of the target audience, whose demands were for healthier, better quality food. A survey was conducted to better understand the needs of the target audience and provide more keywords plus synonyms of these words that could be investigated. Having arrived at a concept I felt was befitting of the project objectives, I returned to my brainstorms, mind maps and mood boards to narrow down and refine my ideas. I further developed my concepts in relation to the countryside and the appearance and characteristics of the products, finding visual solutions to meet the requirements of the brief. Tests and experiments with line, shape, pattern, texture, typography, illustration and material were all executed. Referring back to these ideas, I produced a number of sketches to assess potential compositions and layouts that could aid me in forming a picture of the direction I wanted to go in. There was then additional experimentation with colour, typography, line, and shape. The initial designs attempted to evoke product flavours in conjunction with the characteristics of the countryside. I arrived at a point where the designs were simplistic and minimal, which communicated a high quality product, but didn't evoke health. Embellishments were made in an attempt to reflect the natural world and enhance the product flavours and visual appearance. However, the designs became busy and overwhelming. Stripping back the elements and simplifying the overall designs produced feelings of nature and flavour, as well as reflecting the purity of the product's organic qualities, and also communicating a good quality product. There were more iterations with colour, line, shape, illustration and texture, combining ideas to find the right balance and hierarchy, whilst also displaying the healthy, organic qualities and evocative flavours of the products. Additional modifications created more variations to see what stuck and fulfilled the requirements of the brief. The final concepts reflect a healthy, high-quality product that has been produced by nature. The vivid colours suggest flavour, whilst the main logo, sub-brand logo, typography, shape and imagery reflect the countryside. to communicate natural goodness. Thank you.